Follow the step on how to make photo cutout design in Adobe Illustrator. First, prepare a background. You are free to choose the background color. Lock layer 1 and add a new layer. Go to File, and Place. Insert the image. Activate Curvature tool or Pen tool. I will change this to white stroke. Start make a line. Close the path. Select the line and press Ctrl+C to copy. Select, right-click, and make clipping mask. Press Ctrl+F to paste in front. Fill white color. Set a line stroke to outside. Set stroke number. Right-click, arrange, and send to back. Select, and group. Go to Effect, Stylize, and drop Shadow. Finish. OK. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, so YouTube will recommend this video to other friends. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell to get the latest video updates from this channel. Thank you.